up guys, it's Kelly and today I've got kind of a funky different video for you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use glitter eyeshadow to do nail art. I don't know about you guys, but glitter is the bane of my existence. Not glitter nail polish because I feel like that's contained, but glitter eye makeup is the worst thing ever. And I mean, I love it, don't get me wrong, but there's a few reasons why I do not wear it. One, because it gets everywhere and then it literally never goes away. And anytime I try to put it on my face, it's on my face for like the next 5 years and it never completely washes off, and I just find random bits of glitter all over my face, even if I just put it on one little tiny part of my face. That is just the bane of my existence. And then also, I don't know, I worry a little bit that it's not totally eye safe. So if you guys watched, I did a whole eyeshadow collection video where I showed you guys all of my palettes, and I have a ton of them that actually have glitter in them, and it's just pressed glitter. It's not like a glittery type of eyeshadow, it's straight up glitter. I wanted to show you guys what I have been doing to use up that glitter so that I feel like it's not a waste to have it in the palette. So here's a great example of a palette that I love that has really annoying glitters in it. This is the So Jaded palette from ColourPop, and there are 2 pressed glitters in it. Basically, they're not considered eye safe. You can use them at your own risk, but I don't know about you guys. I've seen a lot of horror stories online about having glitter in your eyes and then it blinding you or whatever. So I'm just not gonna do that anymore. So I'm actually gonna show you guys 2 different ways that you can use glitter. There is more than what I'm showing you guys, so if you guys wanna see other techniques, I can totally do that, but I figured I'd just start off a little intro video and show you guys. So if any of you, like me, have purchased palettes that you absolutely love, but they have like 1 or 2 glitters in there that you're just like, I don't know what to do with these because I am not going to put them on my face, then maybe we could put them on our nails. So let me show you technique number 1. I'm going to be using this So Jaded palette, and I have this glitter which is called Opal, which is a really beautiful cool toned iridescent glitter. I absolutely love it. If this was easy to apply and easy to remove and I knew it was safe for my eyes, I would absolutely wear this all the time because it's so gorgeous, but I think it's even prettier on the nails actually. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do. The first technique is a glitter gradient. It's super easy. You don't need any tools. You don't need anything special for it, you just need your finger. So let's get started. Alright, so I always start off every manicure with base coat. Today I am using the Cirque base coat. Basically just helps the manicure last longer and it helps prevent staining. So once that's dry, I'm going to go in with a couple of coats of my base color. I decided to go with the shade Zoya Harbor. This is from their recent summer 2020 collection, and I just thought this looked really gorgeous next to it just because there was a really beautiful turquoise shade next to the opal shade in the palette, and I just thought they paired really nicely together, so I decided to just do that. Just keep in mind we are going to be working relatively quickly. I don't want the nail to be wet, but I want it to be tacky to the touch. So once I have that second coat on, I'm just going to go in with my finger and that shade Opal, and I'm going to start to apply that on the tacky nail polish. And I'm just starting off at the free edge of my nail, and that's where I'm concentrating the majority of the glitter, and then I am slowly tapping my way up the nail so that as I have less glitter on my nail, it is starting to create this gradient effect. You really don't have to put too much effort into this. It kind of naturally creates a gradient kind of no matter how you're applying it. And then once I have a satisfactory amount of glitter on my nails, I am just going to go in with some top coat. What this does is it seals in the manicure and it keeps the glitter staying on your nails. So unlike when you put it on your eyes, it won't be flying everywhere. This will be sealed into your manicure. So that is the easiest way to do a glitter gradient. You don't need to work with any special tools or anything. Personally, I love the way that these types of iridescent polishes look mattified, but either way works, and you can do this over any color. So that is honestly, in my opinion, the most basic, simple technique for doing glitter on your nails, and I think that's the easiest type of glitter nail art. It's something I do all the time with glitter nail polishes, but I find that it's super easy with glitter makeup as well. Another technique I wanted to show you guys, I actually have a create your own palette from ColourPop, which is another thing that I bought. Ooh, this one's really dirty. Don't be alarmed. But I bought all of these glitters because I really wanted to use them on my eyes, and then after I had one experience where I just got glitter all over my face and it would not come off, I decided I'm just not going to use these on my face anymore. These are just like little single glitter pots. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a full nail using the glitters. Let me show you guys. So this is the glitter I'm using. It's just a single shadow. I think it's called Hungry Ghost. Don't be alarmed, there's some yellow eyeshadow that I got on there because because it was in my palette and it got a little dusty. So once again, just gonna start off with my clean natural nail and my base coat, and then I'm gonna use black as my base color for this. So I am just gonna go in with 1 coat of Starly Vanta Black. This is one of my favorite 1 coat black nail polishes. And again, I don't want it to be fully dry, but I want it to be relatively tacky so I can apply the glitter. So I'm just gonna take some again on my finger, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start tapping this onto my nail. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit later in this video what it looks like when I completely cover the nail, but personally I like the way that it looks like this, where it's almost like a glitter topper, but I don't actually have to buy a specific glitter topper nail polish for it. It's almost like that iridescent hex glitter color without having to worry about it. So now I'm just taking a Q-tip and some acetone, and I'm just kind of wiping the glitters off. As you can see, they kind of stick to my nail, but it does eventually come off. You can also use some Scotch tape and just apply that onto the glitter and then it'll pop off. Or after you apply your top coat and seal in the glitter that's on your nail, you can just wash your hands, and that's another way just to get it off really easily. And again, this is something that I absolutely love mattified. I think it looks so cool. It's almost like a multi-chrome glitter topper on there. It's just, I'm so obsessed with this look. I've been doing this so much lately and I think it's so cool. This would also be a really good base for nail art, just saying. So yeah, that's just another technique that I totally love. I personally, with some of these shades, especially the iridescent ones, I like a little bit of the base color of the nail polish to show through, and you can really do whatever color works for you, whatever color you have, or whatever you think matches the glitter. And I do like having it show through, especially for something, like I said, as light and iridescent as this, where you can kind of see the shift. But you can also fully cover your nail if you just keep going in with layers. I did a little clip of showing you guys that. I didn't even end up cleaning it up because honestly with the glitter I picked, I did not like the way it looked, but just dependent on the glitter that you have, I feel like that's a really easy technique. And there are a couple of really easy ways to remove it off of your skin, because I know it kind of gets everywhere. You can use tape, and that's easy to put around the skin on your nails, or you can just use pure acetone, which is another thing that you totally cannot use on your eyes, and it will wipe away that glitter. So it's a lot easier to work with glitter when you're putting it on your nails, and then once you seal it in with a top coat, it's pretty much going to stay there until you remove it. So super easy. But yeah, so these are just a couple of ways that I have been using up my glitter and also doing some really cute manicures. So just a simple little tip video for you guys. I hope you found it interesting. And if you guys want more advanced techniques, I do know some other ways that you can use glitter for nail art on your nails. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Lets me know I'm doing a good job. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a new video every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And yeah, that is it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So I'm still working off of the list of questions that you guys asked me in my recent Instagram story, where I asked you to ask me questions that I could do for my fun facts. One of you guys asked me, what's my favorite holiday? And that is an easy answer: Halloween. I absolutely love Halloween. It's my favorite time of year. Actually, now that I'm saying this, I feel like I have used this as a fun fact before. So hopefully I haven't said it before, but the words feel familiar on my tongue, so I'm thinking I've said this. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.